right, the scaffolding is down. We're all good. And we're just waiting for some bricks to come in. The red brick, the yellow brick, and a tile. That should be coming next week. And the missing portion up there. Welcome back to the channel. My channel is called The Real One. I vlog about my investment properties and also my struggles, ups and downs with dealing with contractors and dealing with building issues that arise during the construction or renovation of my properties. And I help others renovate and develop their property. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. Up there is just a lot of bricks and stone. So once we get the bringing stone, we'll be good to go. All right. We just offloaded the bricks. The brick shipment just came from this truck right here. I missed it. Just for the new audience, if you're joining the video for the first time, I am a construction project manager. I am managing this project for the stakeholders, and what I do on a daily basis is come to the job site, review the drawings, and make sure that the contractor is following the drawings according to what the architects and engineers have specified to be done on this project. That is what I do. Now, at this point of the project, we add the brick restoration part, and follow me as we go on this journey. Thank you. But in doing so, we have to make sure that the existing lintels, which you see up here, basically are all at the last leg of their life, so we have to re-strengthen them, beef them up, and take care of them so that they can last us for many more years to come. Bricks just came right there. Red bricks. How you doing? Okay, so we're closing for the day.
Ja myślałem, że dotąd na pewno, nie? No tak. A resztę zobaczymy, co się
bo ten super to będzie tak, ten super tak na razie zostanie, nie ruszamy, bo potem trzeba będzie tak samo będzie mieszkał tak jak tam. No, to potem się go na niego kocha, nie? Tylko zabiło się go tam.
Okej. Z góry wyglądało, że gdzieś dotąd przystań. No. A tam wiesz, jedna w tą cegła, jedna w tamtą.
So what happens on a daily basis is they take down the scaffolding every day. Is what we do. And then they bring it back up again in the morning and put it back up. And this is the way to circumvent the high insurance and high city demands to pay for this. The back of it. So they got the lentils in there, the red thing are the lentils for that.
Everything is good, boss?
Looking good. We like. Looking good. Oh, that's the okay tie, the brick tie.
Yeah.
Okay.
We connect with this wall
Alright.
because yesterday, because today we spoke with the Bill about this, and Bill said about because the wall should be this size.
That size, okay.
Because yesterday Bill was here, so we don't know. So right now we
are brick with ties.
Over here will be the same size.
Same brick going
the
on.
same brick. We put it a single back because nobody will see this.
That's it.
And,
Okay.
And we screw with the wall ties, so it will be solid.
That works. Okay.
Okay.
No shifting. Good. All right. Thank you. Thank you. So that explanation that he just gave was because I was at a job site yesterday, and I noticed when I'm putting that up, usually in the industry, well, we do the drawings, we usually will tell them put a dowel into the stone seal, and then that will act as reinforcement for the new brick that is coming on, and the brick adheres to that and how they put it together, so it's not shifting and moving over time. So that's what it was explained to me right there, that they are going to be doing brick ties. So that little silver thing you see there is a brick tie that will tie the front brick to the back brick, and then that gives some kind of like stability, reinforcement. Yeah. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. You here tomorrow?
Yes, for sure.
All right. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can see we have started doing work. Thank you so much for your participation and your task. Facebook tells me to this, and then we'll be coming back up. That is the new house that we've done. And it's out here, and it's on the other side. So there's an arch that you see over there will be replicated on the windows here. So I'm looking for your continuous support. We have materials that we're purchased. That's the big brick on that side, and we have the brick on the back. This is the current front facade. And eventually this facade will be remodeled to have two new entrances, one on this side and the other one on that side over there, and then the window will all be replaced. So we have started on this other side to do the remodel of this side, and first thing we did is this arch right here. So this same arch that you see going up like this will be replicated on this side over here, and that will be the Islamic motif that will be repeated throughout the process of all the window openings here as time goes on. Alrighty, we had it. And they started the second window and they're going up. Oh, yeah. They closed this one up. Alright. So now they've done the back structure. Okay. So there's a block. Okay. That's the back right here. These guys are fast, man. That's the lintel there. That's I'm going. So this is the back, and that's a veneer in front of it. That's the wall, structural wall that ties down to the existing. So that's the veneer wall right there. I'm going. So you can get around. Alright. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. You guys are going everything is good. You guys are going really fast. That's good.
No, we just keep doing progress.
You having too much
We
fun?
have to do something when we came to work. You know how it is.
Yeah, with too much fun.
Yes, also.
All right. Thank you.
If we love it once we do it, we have fun.
There you go. That's it. You see, they had the rail to keep the. I'm gonna go outside and do the video on the outside of that. Yeah. So progress is going for the facade of the building. Let's go. What he's doing out here, cutting that's the lintel that is cut into size. These are the lintels for the brick. So they are the L-shaped things that the brick sits on this side. That's a lintel. Just explaining. I'm just explaining that it's a lintel. Yeah. That's back of brick. See anything for the wall. That's the side, so those lintels. That's the arch going up. And this is the other side of the brick. And that's how they do the arch, so they have the template. You can see the template is being made and the brick sits on that template. Look at that. Measuring and cutting, measuring and cutting. Pretty cool. That's the wall. Pretty cool. And those silver things you see are called the ties. So once they raise the brick up, they'll flip that and the brick then holds that in and it ties the front veneer wall to the substrate wall in the back. That's how that works. It's pretty cool. All right. You can see. And there's the wall going up here. There's a new wall. And you can see on either side of that, they have the rail that keeps this straight. There's guide lines to keep that straight on either side of it. And that's how they guide the wall going up and up. This is one of the metal things I was talking about. So they'll bend it up that way. And they're good to go. They'll bend it up and then, so the other one comes and sits on top of this, and this one ties to the substrate. This ties to the substrate, and then that keeps it in place. So that metal thing that it was called an L-shaped angle that I said was a lintel, that is it right there. So once that wall gets to that, once the other wall gets to that point, then you put that as a structural lintel to hold the brick above it. That's what's happening. Very cool, man. Really cool. Let's see what that is. See, they ran out of brick and stone while they were doing this, and the shipment just came right there. Well, shipment came a few days ago, and you can see, so that's a peak of it. Oh, the sun is getting to it. The very peak is actually stone that they are going to cut into that shape, and that is what he's doing on that side over there. He's at that point right now that he's going to go cut the stone to put up there. So he's measured and remeasured, and they'll cut the stone and he'll set the stone into place. Maybe I'll stay for that placement of that stone. Let's go see that stone. And I saw it earlier in a truck, so I can go show you that stone on the truck right now. So there's that peak right there. Are you about to do the key?
Excuse me?
The key for the stone?
Yes.
This is it right here?
Yes.
All right. Whoa. That is beefy.
Yeah, I really make it, because it's a hard, because on the blueprints, nothing is about the measurement,
Yes.
So right now I need to,
Measure twice and cut once.
Measure everything and put it over here, because
Okay.
it will be good if you on the blueprints we got everything in measurement, so we just put it to our guy for the limestones, and then he will be do this, but
Okay. All right, that's a good measurement.
Uh-huh.
All right. All right.
Okay. We will see.
Before I used to draw all this, so now I can see what I used to draw. Now I can see how I work.
Yeah.
So this is good.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You